So we're going to be looking at division first as equal groups. I'm just cheating a little bit for you guys because I was going to ask you, what does this symbol here, and you can just yell out, what does this symbol here mean?
Divide.
Divide, and can you, into equal groups. Do you know there's another thing that this could mean though? It could mean into equal groups. I could read this as 24 into 6 groups, or I could read it as 24 divided, or 24 how, I could read this as 24 how many sixes. Okay, so what I want you guys to do for me, I'm going to write a different number sentence to this, but I want you to, not even an array, I'd like you to split 26 into 6 equal groups for me. And I don't want you to do an array, I just would like you to draw circles for me, okay? So instead of 24 divided by 6, can I please get you to do for me, not a big number, can I get you 18? Can you please split 18 into 6 equal groups for me? Go for it on your whiteboards. 6 equal groups, so there should be 6 groups. Beautiful. And then I want you to split it one at a time. Yep, so you know it's equal. Like when you're handing out jelly beans at a party, you don't do one bag at once. I want you to do one per group until you've hit 20, till you've hit 18. Beautiful. Cool. Do you know why I asked you to do it not one at a time, but one at once and do one at a time? Like go through all of them. Do you know why? You might go over. So I'm just going to show up. Is it alright if I pick it up? Just going to show you Poppy's here. So Poppy's done 6 equal groups, and one at a time she's put a dot in each. So my question for you guys though is the answer 6? Is it 24? What's the answer?
3. Because there's 3 in each group.
There's 3 in each group. And the way to work out the answer is you go back to the original question, and this question, could someone read this as a sentence for me? Not 18 divided, but what would the sentence be? 18
into 6 equal groups.
18 split between 6. So if I had one of those 6, there would be 3. Perfect, thank you. You're doing a good job. We're going to do arrays now. Okay, we'll do the exact same one, but instead of doing it in circles, I want you guys to do an array for me. So 18, and you know that I'm going to have 6 groups across the top, and you're going to do it one at a time. Do you want to rub it out for me and show me an array? So I'm getting the students to show me an array, which is just another way of showing groups of, but it's a little bit easier to use, and we use it in grade 3 and 4 because it also shows the relationship between multiplication facts and division facts. So do you guys want to draw an array for me? Beautiful. You can make it big if you like. Nice and lined up. I'll do 1, 2. Perfect, Poppy. You're beating me to it. Cool. So, I'll hold up Poppy's again. Poppy and I have both done an array, and the reason we like arrays is they can show a division fact both ways, and they can also show a multiplication fact. So can I get you guys now, because your arrays look great, can you actually circle how you find the answer for me? How do you find the answer? Yeah, it can get a bit tricky. Good one. Jackson's got it. Yep, beautiful. That would be correct, but to a different question. So the question I've asked the kids to circle is 18 split between 6. Perfect. And you can show it a couple of different ways. Or 18 how many 6s? Both would work. In fact, Poppy, can I be painful? Could you do what you were doing, please? Because you'll still get us the right answer.
Why did I just do that?
Use mine. There you go. Use mine. Could you circle the other way for me so we can show both ways that it gets you the answer? Beautiful. What answer did you two get?
3.
What answer did Poppy get?
6.
You got 3 as well. So Poppy's answered the question 18 how many 6s, and how many 6s did she circle? 3. You guys answered the question not how many 6s, you guys answered the question 18 split between 6. But your answer was still? 3, yeah. Division can be really tricky because it can mean both how many or split between, especially when you're doing worded problems. So that's why arrays are really good, because it shows both ways that you can do it. Nice work, you guys.